Do you know that every day, our species consumes more than 1.5 million terajoules of energy? That's equals to 28,000 times the atomic explosion in Hiroshima. For those who live in a modern society, most of the energy we use is in the form of electricity. Shapeless and soundless. Making energy a bit like air. It's all around you, but you cannot feel it. You take it for granted. Until this summer, when I visited Junggar in Inner Mongolia of China, I didn't realize that I had never seen the primary form of our energy, so concrete and solid, before they were extracted from deep inside the Earth's crust.
岩石层大概有60米，下面就是咱们的这个煤层，煤层应该有35米左右。
Heidaigo, the largest open-pit coal mine in Asia, is known for its high-quality coal and rather shallow reserve. To better access to coal, Chen Hao's team needs to do some preparation.
他们这个每一次的这个爆破的这个方量啊，应该在200万立方。
We are walking on 1,500 tons of an explosive called anthol, which will move the rock layer under our feet horizontally into a nearby deep valley.
会有50到60万方左右会进到咱们这个采坑里，省去了咱们这个采挖的环节。这是一个非常先进的工艺。准备起爆，5、4、3、2、1。
You ready? First, you see it. In 2 seconds, you hear it. Here comes the high-density fuel that powers our civilization.
A kilogram of coal can produce from 3,000 to over 6,000 kilocalories of heat. And this fascinating process of energy emitting has been largely depends on the combination of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygens within. And carbon is the major source of heat during burning.
Today, fossil fuels still supply 84% of the world's energy.
A leading contributor to the rising level of greenhouse gases. The international community agrees that we are on a path towards disaster.
We are on a highway to climate hell with our foot still on the accelerator.
A journey that can only be stopped by weaning ourselves off of our fossil fuel thirst. We must reduce carbon emission on the one hand and remove those in the atmosphere on the other. Complementary efforts to help us reach net zero emissions or carbon neutrality, when mankind's carbon footprint will fade from the planet. From this coal pit, my colleagues and I will embark a global journey to find out how this most difficult transition will be done while making sure mankind's lights stay on.